Hey guys, so right here I have this 2-pack bar stool that is made of like a rattan material, and then it also has a wicker on the back. It's kind of like a string material, but it's really durable. These are really nice for like outside because they're going to be 100% weatherproof. You can actually take off these seat cushions and wash them too. This is going to be a cream color, so I definitely love that, and it just looks really nice outside, pops in the sun. These would be perfect for a poolside, garden, patio, deck. You can even put these inside. They just have a really unique look, but they're absolutely amazing. Really comfortable. So a couple things to note on here. This is almost 3 inches of cushion you're gonna have in the padding here, and very soft. I'm 150 pounds. I'm not bottoming out whatsoever in this bar stool. Super ergonomic. The way that my back fits in here is just amazing. The armrests are just really nice. It fits my arms really good, and it's actually a comfy material to rest your arm on. It doesn't like itch or bother you whatsoever. So you're gonna have 360-degree rotation on these bar stools, which makes them really practical when you're outside. If you're talking at a party, you can just swivel around and do whatever you need. I love the footrest on the bottom because it's just nice to keep the feet up and just give you another option just to relax and stay comfortable. On the bottom, you're gonna have the anti-tilt leveling mechanism, so you can adjust that so they stay sturdy on the ground, and that's super important. But I'm just gonna spin these around here and show you what they look like. The backs, it's just gonna be like a double material, so there's 2 different sections here of this wicker material. Looks really good. And by the way, this seat cushion is going to be held in through 2 straps on the back, so you can't tie that. So if they are going to be outside and the wind blows, they're not going to blow away or anything like that. These bar stools are actually really easy to assemble as well. Only takes about 15-20 minutes, and you can have both of these set up in no time. I absolutely love these if you're looking for a nice outdoor set of bar stools. These are definitely the ones I recommend. They're going to pop and they're super comfortable, so that's honestly the most important thing. They look good and they feel good. And by the way, from the back, I think that they do look really nice, and that's one thing that's hard to execute in a bar stool is the back and having that look good, so you don't see like bolts and just like a messy situation. So these are 10 out of 10 from me. Highly recommend them. Check them out for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.